In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Telegram app. We'll be using the Microsoft Store on a Windows 11 PC to get the official Telegram desktop application. This method is simple, secure, and ensures you're installing the authentic version directly from a trusted source. First, open the Microsoft Store. On Windows 11, you can click the Start button and begin typing Microsoft Store, then select it from the results. You might also find its shopping bag icon pinned on your taskbar. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since the download will require a stable connection. Once the store is open, look for the search bar at the top and type Telegram. Press Enter to see the results. You're looking for Telegram Desktop, which is the official desktop version of the app designed for Windows. It typically features the familiar paper airplane logo and lists the verified publisher. Sticking with the official listing helps you avoid look-alike apps or third-party clients. Click the Telegram desktop result to open its product page. Here, you can quickly review the app's description, screenshots, and ratings, which is helpful for confirming you're on the right page. You don't need to change any settings on this screen. The default options are perfect for most users. Next, click the Install or Get button. The exact label may vary slightly, but both start the same free download. If the store asks for basic confirmations, just follow the prompts. You won't need to tweak advanced options. Windows will handle where to place the app and set it up automatically. Now, wait for the download and installation to finish. You'll see a progress indicator in the Microsoft Store that shows how much has been downloaded. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and system performance. It's best to keep the store open while it completes. If your connection drops, give it a moment and it should resume automatically once you're back online. When the installation is done, the button on the app page will change to Open, which confirms everything is installed correctly. You'll also be able to find Telegram Desktop from the Start menu at any time in the future. That's it. You opened the Microsoft Store, searched for Telegram, selected the official Telegram Desktop app, clicked Install or Get, and waited for the process to complete. With the installation finished, you're all set to use Telegram on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to check out more guides on getting the most from your apps.